Well, growing up all this was so retired dancehall artist Mr. Lexx has a question to ask after the uproar about Soja winning the Reggae Grammy last night. All right.
So we got give them full 100. Designations give them full 100. Sandy give them full 100. Yo, so they get the signal. As soon as back with the new melody, yo. Oh, go on. No, I'm not wasting the time still. I just want to ask a simple question to the people them who bash Soja, or in other words, the white group who won the Grammy over the dancehall artist them and the reggae artist them. Let's say hypothetically a rapper come from Jamaica or a rap group and them drop an album and it did relatively good and it got nominated for best rap album amongst Migos, Da Baby, and you know, couple of the rapper them from America, and them win. What would I say? Grammy is supposed to give back the award to Migos them or the rapper them or one of them man there? And that what would be on a respond? Because as far as me concerned, the white people them are soldiers, or whatever them name, I reggae them do. They're not from Jamaica, but I reggae them do. And them a do it for a minute too. And them have a following. Following the people who support their music. So what I say? I just want to answer that for me real quick.